Alright, the eastbound BNSF on track 2, main 2, whatever you call it. Yeah. So a fake bonnet and a war bonnet, LOL. I wonder why he's stopping. He has a green. Is he stopping? I'm surprised this train had no mid-train helpers. Here's the end of the train, 2 end train distributed power units. Or end train helpers. Lighting's perfect. End of train device. Canadian Pacific should have been leading. It should have been leading. That is the only leader I still need. A Canadian Pacific leader. Well, I need a CSX leader too. Here's the end of a train. He's finally getting a move on. Okay, so here's my plane to take me home after a great trip to Winslow. So this is an international gate. That's why it's through double glass. Down there is customs. You have to. This plane came in from Cancun, so that's why it's at an international gate. And then it's taking us to San Diego. So yeah, there's the fuel truck. Yeah, a 737 Looks like a Max to me. Max 8. 737 Max 8 review. American Airlines. Okay, an A319 pushing back. San Francisco. So, since they can't start their engines from that spot, the tug is attaching to the tow bar, and then he's gonna pull the plane forward to the available spot to where they can start their engines. But yeah, this is an A319 going to San Francisco, a former U.S. Airways bird. 812 AW. No, America West actually. AW is America West. Okay, here's Speedbird A350 1000 arriving from London Heathrow. I flew them 2 years ago. Really good service. Their customer service on British Airways, and I flew them over the summer. Their service is outstanding. You know it's good when you fly them 3 times. So yeah, this is 9 Charlie from London Heathrow. This is a nice jet. My God, this is a huge step up for Frontier. Man, Max, this bins go up. This is a really nice jet. Hey, plenty of bin space. And she said there were no bin space left. 1,000. 22. 29. Oh, and on this kind of plane, you put the back sideways. It wheels in. It's not that hard, you guys. This is a huge step up for Frontier. Okay, here's the legroom. Really good. Way better than Frontier. Train table. Here's what I like. A phone holder. That's all you need to do.
Welcome aboard American Airlines. Please place small carry-on items underneath the seat in front of you.
Information.
Larger carry-on items should be placed in the overhead
Nice
compartment.
overhead.
This aircraft
737.
has larger overhead compartments. Place your bag in wheels first, then turn it on its side.
And at
to
this kind
maximize
of
the
gate,
space
you
available.
really have to pay
Small
attention
lightweight items may be placed in the
because
seat pocket.
there's no PA
If you
system.
need assistance,
We just
please
follow
let
the
us
crowd.
know.
So that's what you
Free
do in
entertainment
Phoenix,
is
just follow the
available
crowd.
today.
On behalf of the entire crew, we look forward to assisting you today. Your safety is important to us. Please pause for a moment to give your attention to the flight attendant.
Welcome to your American Airlines flight, on its way to one of our many destinations across the globe. Made possible by our dedicated team members who all do it for one reason. You. That's why your safety and well-being are so important to us. Let's go through some in-flight instructions so we can get you safely on your way. First, make sure your seat is upright, all larger electronic devices are put away, and your tray table is stowed. Seat back device holders.
Alright, let's rock it out of here. LAX or spring break.